Hello, and welcome to the Orlando World's Sunday Showdown round of 64. We begin with the first episode of weekly heats, beginning with Dragon Challenge, battling it out against Men in Black, Alien Attack. Dragon Challenge was a pair of intertwined, inverted roller coasters in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter area of Universal Studios' Islands of Adventure. The ride was themed to two chasing dragons, one being a Chinese fireball and the other a Hungarian horntail. When Islands of Adventure opened on the 28th of May, 1999, the ride was called Duelling Dragons and was located in the Lost Continent area with the two trains named Fire and Ice. During the ride, the trains were dispatched simultaneously, providing 3 near-miss encounters along the courses. After a renovation period, the attraction reopened in mid-March 2010 and was officially renamed as Dragon Challenge, with the Wizarding World of Harry Potter grand opening on the 18th of June, 2010. Men in Black, Alien Attack is a dark interactive track ride, which involves riders shooting aliens and accumulating points while spinning around inside what was, at the time, the largest indoor dark ride built in any Universal theme park. It opened on the 14th of April, 2000. Recruits board their training vehicles equipped with laser guns, called S4 Alienators, and proceed into the training room, blasting at cardboard cutouts of aliens hiding in beside flashing red lights. After a brief blast through New York City, the two head-to-head vehicles face each other and pass on either side of a large green scanner. The scanner reveals that the opposing car is really full of aliens in disguise, thus prompting a shootout between the two paired vehicles. Both cars race to shoot the other's fusion exhaust port, a glowing red light at their vehicle. A hit causes the opposing vehicle to wildly spin out of control, offering more time to collect points while they spin. The battle between the cars comes to an end when Jay shows up on a giant television screen in Times Square, alerting the riders that a big bug has been found. Turning the corner, riders come face to face with Eggur, a gigantic cockroach-like alien seen in the first film. The animatronic bug in the ride stands 30 feet tall. Now, let's find out through a series of rounds, which attraction will advance to the round of 32. Here we go. Men in Black, Alien Attack used one of Universal's most ambitious ride systems, which feature 2 tracks that allowed 2 separate ride vehicles to combat each other during the ride. The vehicles would travel a distance of 1,090 feet, while spinning and turning throughout the ride. The track length is similar to that of other attractions within a dark ride setting. But with the ride moving at a slower pace, it offers riders the opportunity to engage fully with the immersive laser tag adventure as it unfolds, making the most of its track layout. Dragon Challenge featured 2 roller coasters, each travelling a distance of 3,200 feet, giving a combined track length of 6,400 feet. The 2 tracks had several near-miss points, but both tracks were slightly different throughout. One track had more bends and turns, with the other featuring more twists and drops. Each track delivered a very different experience, and although theming on the coasters was minimal, the option to ride one of 2 different tracks had a return appeal, to make guests want to ride again. So, for round 1, on ride length, Dragon Challenge takes the first round, with its 3,200 feet of track on each roller coaster. Men in Black, Alien Attack just cannot compete with the ride distance, despite being the more highly themed attraction. Dragon Challenge had a ride time of 2 minutes 25 seconds, regardless of which roller coaster you chose to ride. Overall, between the Chinese Fireball and Hungarian Horntail coasters you would get approximately 5 minutes of ride time. The ride was fast, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, but even at that speed, the ride didn't pass too quickly. Compared to Dragon Challenge, Men in Black, Alien Attack was a much longer ride, clocking in at 4 minutes and 20 seconds. The fairly slow pace of the attraction doesn't quite hit the thrills of the dual coaster. However, it does last almost twice as long, and as a themed attraction, it offers slightly more through the duration of the ride. In round 2, it's a win for the dark ride Men in Black, Alien Attack. Although the Dragon Challenge Duel Coaster has a combined time of almost 5 minutes, you would have needed to queue up twice to ride both coasters. So, as an individual ride, the Men in Black takes this round to level the score. The Duel Coaster had an average yearly capacity of 3,000 riders, running several trains with 32 riders per train. This was 800 riders per hour more than Men in Black, Alien Attack, which only managed 2,200 riders per hour. The Dark Laser Gun ride operated 44 vehicles on the track at any one time. Riders are arranged 3 across in 2 rows for a total of 6 riders per vehicle. So in round 3, Dragon Challenge retakes the lead going into round 4. During its operation, Dragon Challenge was thrilling, with its near-miss encounters of the roller coaster, where the coasters collided in a duel that was meant to resemble a battle between 2 dragons. Depending on which track you chose, you would be wiped around at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, through loops, corkscrews, cobra rolls and more, giving you a thrilling ride. Men in Black, Alien Attack provided a different type of thrill, being more family-friendly. It appealed more to families and younger children, and provided some thrills along the way. But given the power of the Dragon ride, and the fiery battle it produces from both coasters, in terms of thrill rides, Dragon Challenge comes out just ahead in round 4. Into the final round we go, where we look at the length of service operations for both attractions. Dragon Challenge operated from the 28th of May, 1999, originally as Duelling Dragons and closed permanently on the 4th of September, 2017, after 18 years of service. It was replaced by Hagrid's Magical Creatures motorbike adventure in the summer of 2019. Men in Black, Alien Attack has been in operation for 19 years. It replaced the Swamp Thing set and Back to the Future 3 locomotive display. The attraction remains popular within the park, and shows no signs of closing in the near future. So in round 5, the Men in Black, Alien Attack attraction wins the round. However, after all 5 rounds, we do have a winner. In terms of the statistics, Dragon Challenge wins the contest by 3-2. The Duel Coaster was a firm theme park favourite during its operation, with many fans sad to see it go. It provided some thrilling aspects with the near-miss encounters, and its power heightened the thrill during the exhilarating dragon battle. Men in Black, Alien Attack though, is an attraction that remains popular, as a fun, family laser tag adventure that will continue to please guests for years to come. Dragon Challenge advances to the next round. Do you agree with the outcome? Did your favourite attraction advance to the next round? Drop us a comment below and share your opinions. Remember, this is all just for fun. Stay tuned for next week's episode, where we see Pirates of the Caribbean go head-to-head with Popeye and Bluto's bilge rat barges. See you next week. We hope you enjoy this video. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. You can find us on social media platforms. Find us on Facebook and Twitter at Orlando Worlds, and on Instagram at The Orlando Worlds. Thanks for watching.